Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. This is an 8-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and power liftgate. Why don't we hop inside this Highlander and see what else it has to offer. Our key fob here, it's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Highlander does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. We're going to take a look in the door first. On the bottom you do have some storage space, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Of course, all weather mats are equipped in this entire vehicle. And on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Now why don't we hop inside. Start the Highlander up. It is a push to start. Foot on the brake and press that engine start button. We're going to take on the left side on the steering wheel first. Here you got these arrows, and that will just help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center there. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. Moving on to the right, you have this cluster which will help you navigate through your multi-information display, like so. Below it are your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with your lane departure assist and dynamic cruise control. And your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel. Now let's move on to our screen here. Right now we are on home with the split screen. If we press that map, that'll enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go ahead and press audio, again, that'll take you to your sources. Of course, you have your standard AM and FM. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There's that backup camera, giving you those nice guidelines. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone. So you can adjust the temperatures on both sides, and to the left of that you do have your heated mirror buttons. Underneath, you have this shelf that runs along the entire side to the passenger door. And if we remove this little piece up top, you can run a cable through there and that'll come right under there. Under that, you do have your USB and auxiliary ports as well as your 12-volt outlet. Your different drivetrain options. 2 cup holders. Center console. Lots of room in this one. Features a 12-volt outlet as well, and you got this nice little shelf up top. Slides around. Lastly, we're going to take a look in the glove box. Nothing complicated. Nice and simple. Lots of room here as well. Now why don't we just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. In the door you have some storage on the bottom just like the driver's side. More all-weather mats. Behind the 2 front seats you do have these nice little pockets. The rear passengers have their own climate control settings. And these seats do fold down. You got this lever up here, just push that up. And that'll give you access to your 3rd row seating and your cargo. So to hop inside, all you're going to do is hold this button on your key fob and that power liftgate will open right on its own. Right now we have the 3rd row seating that is up right now. Of course they do go down. Just press these tabs up and they'll fold right down, providing lots of cargo room. 2nd row seating also does go down. That'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. Of course, for those rear passengers, when the seats are up, they do have their own cup holders. On the left side, there's a nice little storage space. And underneath here, if we pull this up, you do have your tools for your spare tire that is located underneath the vehicle. And to the left of that, you do have some extra storage space as well. So just close that right up. Right up top, you got this button. All you got to do is just press that once, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Highlander XLE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 8-passenger seating, navigation, backup camera, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.